Hey friends, today we will study how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux. So basically, to incorporate the Linux word into the Windows word, Microsoft introduced this subsystem. So for this to install, first we get to the terminal and install this with the command. So if we hit this, so it will start to install, and if we want to check which version of Linux we have already, as I have already installed it, so we can see we have this Ubuntu install and all its available friendly names. So now if we want to install it, like I want to install this Debian version, so I hit enter and see it will take some time to install. So this is the first method. The second method is to get to the programs and features. Turn Windows feature on and off. So this turn Windows feature on and off, we search for the this Windows subsystem for Linux. As I have already turned it on, we turn it on and hit OK. Then we get to the Microsoft Store and search for our this is a bit slowest method. So as now we can see that Debian Linux has been successfully installed. To check it, we get to the startup and write Debian. So as we can see, this Debian app is now installed. So we want to check from the other method, so we get to the Microsoft Store. We have enabled the features. Now here we type for the Debian and hit enter. So as we can see that Debian is now loaded. So we have successfully installed this Debian Linux distro in the Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thank you for watching.